So I already talked in a previous video how as you get older, your visual acuity declines and how you interact with the website has to change. Now, another thing that happens as you get older is that your motor control is a bit less effective. Now, in healthcare websites that have a lot of older populations interacting with them, this is really important. So one thing that's you should put in place in your website is everything that's a button should be not only very clearly identified, but also have a lot of space around it and be large enough to be able to be clickable. And not only with a mouse, but with a finger. And so make sure that when you're clicking on something, it also gives a good response to the user that says, yes, you did click it, it changes color or something so that they understand that they did it, and make it big enough and separate enough so you're not double clicking on this thing on the side and then getting frustrated. Another thing that's important is that when you have a bit less motor control, it takes you a bit more time to complete forms and stuff like that. So don't put like a timeout after, 60 or 90 seconds and then the form refreshes. Give people ample time to be able to fill in that form step by step. And finally, some people with very severe, decline in motor abilities are going to have to start using assistive technologies to be able to interact with the website. So make sure that your website is compatible with those assistive technologies.